Welcome to my channel, Applied Virtual Solutions. My name is May. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today I have some information on a job. Sterling is a world leader in the background screening industry. They are looking to hire public record specialists. The position is full-time. The location is work from home or work from anywhere in the U.S. As a public records specialist, you will be responsible for processing client criminal services, conducting research, and reviewing court documentation with a sense of urgency and the understanding of meeting firm deadlines while focusing on the accuracy of the information being provided. This is what you'll do. Work on various database platforms, processing clients' applicant criminal product requests within strict deadlines, conducting online validation searches using court, state, and government sites, reading, reviewing, and understanding court dockets, researcher documents, and statutes, ordering of court documentation from needed resources. You will contact clerks, courts, district attorneys, jail, probation, and all county offices by phone and/or email as needed for additional applicants' detailed information. Also, you will be placing outbound calls and receiving inbound calls to needed source entities, applying federal state client restrictions to client reporting details and orders, educating criminal civil records according to client guidelines, matching criminal records to self-disclosed applicant records, and confirming applicants' personal identification information, quality control of all internal work processed, prepare written reports summarizing research results, applicant, client, or client-facing solicitation of needed forms, consents, releases, and other such documentation needed for processing of needed client order products. This is the job for you if you have proven track record of success consisting of the ability to understand legal terminology, intermediate knowledge of Microsoft Office Suite and Internet, ability to work independently and on a team, critical analysis and decision-making ability, strong attention to detail is a must, strong research skills, excellent communication skills, ability to work in a production environment, equal balance of speed and accuracy, and strong typing skills, excellent written and oral communication skills, team player, positive attitude, have the ability to get along with all types of personalities, have a willingness to pitch in and help wherever the need is, ability to multitask, phone skills, Salesforce knowledge preferred. This is what Sterling is looking for. 0 to 2 years of relevant work experience, call center experience or relevant work environment preferred, high school diploma or equivalent, background in criminal records, criminal justice, experience a plus, at least 2 years related office experience and or training, or equivalent combination of education and experience is a plus. The pay range for this position is $15 to $17 per hour. Base pay offered may vary depending on job-related knowledge, skills, and experience. In addition to base pay, this role is eligible to participate in the annual incentive program. Full range of benefits, including but not limited to medical, financial, unlimited sick time, 22 days vacation annually, parental leave, and other benefits are also provided. This information is provided per several state and local equal pay and pay transparency laws. Base pay information is based on market location. Applicants should apply by way of Sterling internal or external career site. Sterling is an equal employment opportunities company and prohibits discrimination based on any characteristics protected by law. To apply for this role as a public records specialist, click the Apply button here, and you have the option to autofill with a resume. That's uploading your resume, and it will take the majority of your information and fill it in different areas for you. Or apply manually, or use my last application. That's if you applied with this company before. So we will do apply manually. And here you will put in your email and password if you have an account with them, or you will create an account here. And this gives you the options of what you will do to create a password. And you put in your email, password, verify your password, and I understand and acknowledge the terms of the use of Sterling. And you click here, and this explains a little bit of it right here for you for using their site. And then you create an account, and you on the next screen, you'll be able to fill in any missing information from your resume you uploaded, or fill in all the information if you're filling it in manually. So this is all that I have for you today. If you feel that this information was of value, give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And don't forget to click the bell so that you'll be notified of the next job opportunity. And you have a great rest of your day.